Welcome, I'm David.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Desmonds Donders.
We're headed towards the Culloden Viaduct, and I just thought I'd let you see from the dash cam the skies that we saw on the way there, and of course the approach to the viaduct. For those that know, Clava cairns was to that right hand turn just before we turned towards the viaduct.
Welcome to possibly the last video in this winter wander. It's Hogmanay and we're at the Culloden Viaduct on the Inverness Railway. The viaduct heads south to parts unknown. Well, Perth, Glasgow, Edinburgh. And although it's a nice blue looking day, it's approximately -2 and it's a cold day, I can tell you.
Culloden Viaduct was designed by Chief Engineer Murdoch Paterson and built by the Highland Railway. The impressive 29 arches of the Culloden Viaduct that stretch over the valley and the River Nairn really is a great sight to see. It was opened in 1889 and still used today as the main rail link into the Highlands. It is the longest masonry viaduct in Scotland at 1800 feet long and is a Category A listed building. You will find the viaduct situated roughly 6 miles east of Inverness, close to Clava, although you will spot it miles before you get to it. The imposing structure, built in sandstone, is known as the Nairn Viaduct as well. The 100 feet wide central arch reaches across the River Nairn with 14 arches on either side, all of which are 50 feet wide. All the pictures and video to now were taken on Hogmanay, and we're about to move on a whole year, well, one day, with the next shot.
One year later. It's a very, very different scene. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it still is snowing. Very, very lightly now. January the 1st. This shot isn't really for the view. It's to see if the camera can pick this noise up. And once again.
So, just what is that mystery noise? Or noises. I did it 3 times, and the noise was actually caused by shutting the motorhome door, the habitation door, under the bridge that you can see is parked now, under the arch, and it's echo basically, and made it sound like a shotgun, I suppose. So I'll leave you to listen to the music and see the snow that fell. And this is the Clava cairns, which Lindsay took a 10-minute walk to see once more. Thank you for watching Desmonds Donders. And remember, please take nothing but memories and leave nothing but tracks. Please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, and hopefully we'll see you next time.